Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Makers of Bharat, Multicity Event. We are live from Belgavi. The evening is rocking and we are having a great evening. And in between the event, I am with Mr. Nilesh from SupplyPoint for a small bite. Welcome, Mr. Nilesh.
Yeah, very
How are
good
you?
evening.
Yeah,
I'm good.
good
I'm
evening.
good. Good evening.
So, Nilesh ji,
Yeah,
so thank you for being sponsors for this event, Makers of Bharat Multi-City event from Meshmix Media. We are very thankful to you. And regarding the Belgavi region, so what is Supply Point's view towards the manufacturing sector beyond metros? So
yeah.
manufacturing in India is spread across various regions. So how is Supply Point looking towards the manufacturing industry in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities?
Yeah. First of all, very welcome to multi-city event Bharat of Makers of Bharat. We are very pleased to have with you today. Right now, the event is parallelly going on, and the important is that the Belgavi region is with the owner-based companies and the MSME companies. They are growing like anything, and it is known for the aerospace manufacturing, aerospace component manufacturing region, and
And
as a
also the foundries. There
also
are
the
a lot of
foundries as well,
foundries.
also the
Yeah.
foundries as well. And apart from that, as a supply point, we are identifying the various pain problem that we are currently, I mean, the customer are facing very regularly, like to manage the cutting tools, because it's a hidden cost for the company. And because of that, we are providing the solution for the tool vending machines, which help companies to reduce the consumption by 20 to 30%, to convert completely conventional store into the digital smart inventory management store. So how we are helping customer to be a digital, to be a data driven, and so that they will have the better control on the inventory and the consumables.
Yes. For the information of all our viewers, I want to just inform what Supply Point does. Supply Point is a organization which builds intelligent tool dispensing systems. They can be placed in your shop floors. They can be placed in your stores. They can be a good alternative to your stores. They dispense right tool to the right associate or the right person in the right time. That is what Supply Point does. Yes, my next question to Mr. Nilesh.
Yep.
Nilesh ji, so you know the young generation of India today who are the future makers of Bharat.
Right.
So what is that one point you want to tell to our future makers of Bharat? One advice.
Yeah, now the India is growing, and the many young people are joining the manufacturing industry, and as a makers of Bharat, they are doing very good initiative, has been already taken for the Indian customers. And as a youngster, you should join the events, you should understand the talks about the industrial leadership, and industrial leaders talk you can attend, and you can have the look how we can improve our production and the efficiency on the factories, companies, and the shop floor. Yeah.
That is a great say from Mr. Nilesh. Yes, my dear young entrepreneurs, professionals, future professionals. So the word is very clear. You are all looking towards a tomorrow which is going to be AI driven. And we have one organization in India which is already making AI a shop floor thing, not a top floor thing. So the great thing is Supply Point is bringing automation into the shop floor, into the dispensing, and reducing the manufacturing costs. Not they are not into normal traditional tool storage units. They are into something which is next generation. So please go through the Supply Point websites. Please go through the Supply Point open source data. Try to understand how a intelligent system can be deployed in shop floor. So that is it for now, and signing off from Belgavi. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.